All right, let's get started. The first step is to chop the ingredients. You'll need a cutting board and a kitchen knife. First, peel the onion. Finely chop the peeled onion. Remove the seeds and stems from the small green bell peppers. Finely chop the green peppers. Next, finely chop the celery. Now peel the garlic. Finely chop the peeled garlic. Chop the whole tomatoes into 1/2-inch pieces. Next, chop the chicken into 1/2-inch pieces. Cut the squid into 1 1/4-inch lengths, then cut each length into slices. Next, devein the prawns. Now peel the prawns. Cut the prawns in half by inserting the knife into the prawns' backs and cutting lengthwise. Remove the seeds from the red chilies. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. That's it for preparations. While the oven is heating, you can fry the ingredients. You'll need an oven-safe saucepan with a lid. Put the saucepan over moderate heat. Add the olive oil and coat the bottom of the pan. Add the garlic, onion, celery, and green pepper and sauté them. Next, add the red chili and sauté it with the other vegetables. When the onion becomes transparent, add the chicken, squid, and prawns. Season with some salt and pepper. Continue to sauté over moderate heat until the chicken, squid, and prawns have all changed color. Add the chopped whole tomatoes and the white wine, then bring to a brief boil. Next, add the rice and stir until coated. Add the stock and stir it briskly before bringing it back to a boil. Now add the bay leaf and season to taste with salt and pepper. The jambalaya is now ready to be put in the oven. Cover the pan with the lid and put it in the preheated 400-degree oven for 12 minutes. Remove the jambalaya from the oven and leave it to steam for 10 minutes to allow the flavors to fully blend. Stir with a wooden spoon, turning it over in the pan. Finally, transfer it to a serving dish and garnish with some finely chopped Italian parsley. It's ready to eat. Nice work!